You gonna try it? Try it, babe.
Wow.
Try it, because I just want to see.
This is pepper.
But try it.
Yeah, let them bring your food first.
You scared? I'll try it.
Let them bring your food and water first so that.
All right. The fact that you said water first, hell yeah. Because look at this.
But you already know it's not really gonna hurt me anyway.
But babe, we'll do it then.
Burn my mouth. I'm just afraid that you might not be able to take it, you know.
Take it, babe. Take it. Do it. Is it peppery?
No, it's cool.
You got a different tongue than I do. That shit probably hot as hell.
Like it's cool, but you can try it too.
Hell nah. So we are at China House. We at China House, and because I wanted some tofu. Fuck it, because that's all I could find, and this is good. And so
That's sharp, man.
yeah, it's really good. I like this. I should have got a large. This is Chapman. But look, we've been going to Hibachi, which is a Chinese restaurant. Horrible, right? So every time we go to Hibachi, they don't have spring rolls. They take forever to bring our food. And I'm just trying to get some good vegan Chinese food. So we found a place, China House. What city is this, babe?
Oh?
What city is this?
But Oli Estate.
Say it.
This is actually Oli Estate.
Oli Estate. And first and foremost, we was at Hibachi Grill. They made us wait so fucking long for spring rolls that never came, right? It took them about 30 minutes to bring us drinks. And we've been at China House for probably like 10 minutes. I got my drink. We brought us some sauce out here that was extra spicy. Chad's got his water. They gave us plates so we know that the food is coming. So I don't know Hibachi. Y'all might have lost some customers, so we gonna see when the food comes. If the food slap, y'all lost some customers, and we over here at China House. So stay tuned. Look, food coming. You don't have nothing. Not as peppery.
No, it's not, baby. You're gonna enjoy it with it.
Oh, jeez.
Like for real.
Okay. All right. So we about to try. This is the onion cake and spring rolls in this sauce. So let's try it and see what we think. So we finished the appetizers. What you think, babe?
Yeah, it's okay. I like the onion cake. The spring roll is alright. But just like a normal spring rolls, always have. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You like this pepper sauce though?
Yeah, I like the pepper sauce. It tastes nice. I think I'm the pepper king again.
You the pepper king. Yes, the fuck you are. Because why would you eat this like this? Why are you this way? Why?
It's not really hot though.
It is.
It's normal. It's cold.
The pepper king.
What you fucking doing?
I'm showing him the pepper king. Oh, geez. This looks so good.
6 p.m.
Babe about to have some tofu on that ass.
It's gonna be like from 6 to...
He's worried about his birthday, and I'm over here trying to do a food review. I'm sorry. We murked that food. Okay, so we have finished. I'm full as fuck. Babe made me eat even more. I told him he's going to have to roll my ass out of here. He said, that's okay. I said, I'm going to fall asleep when I get home. He said, I always fall asleep when I go home. I don't think that's fair, but it was so good. The tofu and black bean sauce was phenomenal. The vegetable noodles was phenomenal. I think it's like might be our new favorite spot for Chinese food, for tofu.
I guess.
You like the tofu?
Yeah. It's tofu is yummy to say.
So you like tofu?
I like it. It's phenomenal.
But tofu was so good, he even asked, could we have that catered at his birthday party? So he opted out of jollof rice for this.
Right.
So you know it had to be good for a Nigerian man. Doesn't want to have. What about amala? You want to give up that amala?
No.
So you ain't too convinced.
Yeah.
Well, anyway.
Amala is vegan.
Babe.
Amala is vegan.
But would you want to give up amala for this?
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hold your word to it. So next time you say you want amala, I'll be like, let's go to the China house instead. But anyway, the food was phenomenal. Shout out to China House. I give it an 8.5. Only way it would have been a 9 is if they had sesame tofu, a sesame vegan chicken. That would have been dope. But yeah, so we like China House. This is now our favorite Ibadan restaurant. So if you're in Ibadan, make sure you come to China House. Anyway, I'm out. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, The Vegan Foodie, Nigel and The Vegan. Follow us. Stay tuned. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of that. We everywhere. So anyway, I'm out. Tell the people peace, babe.
Yeah, please.
We out.